Hey guys, let's be honest. If your ride is covered in swirls and scuff and scratches, or in my case, has a big ugly paint transfer on it, it doesn't matter how clean your chariot is. Your rims and your chrome could be shining like a diamond in a goat's ass. But if you got eyesores like this on your whip, it don't matter. Trust me, I know. I love my ride. If my wife would let me, I'll park it in the living room. But that ain't gonna happen. But a few weeks ago, I was about to leave work when I noticed some moron cut the wheel too hard, backing out into the parking spot, and that douche-mobile flipped my ride. I tried everything to get it off. Nothing worked. Everywhere I went, people looked at me like I was driving an old beat-up jalopy. I had enough. I started calling body shops. They wanted an arm and a leg to repair it. Just when I was about to give up, to pay to have it repaired, I found a solution. I was researching do-it-yourself solutions on my favorite car forum. I read a post about Shine Armor Revive Scratch Repair. I had a few days before the appointment at the body shop, so I figured, what the hell? I ordered some. Boy, I'm glad I did. This stuff is a miracle in a bottle. When I read the directions, I thought, there's no way it's going to be this simple. But let me tell you, it was. I cleaned the area and put some Revive on a microfiber and start scrubbing. When I immediately saw it was working, I was shocked. And to think I was about to pay hundreds of dollars to have it repaired. Revive Scratch Repair doesn't contain any waxes or fillers. It will restore your ride's shine in one application. And as an added bonus, it finishes with a nice grape scent. Look, the bottom line is, if you're anything like me, and you're tired of spending time and money fixing scratches and scuff marks on your baby, you need to order a bottle of Shine Armor Revive Scratch Repair today. Just do it, guys. You're gonna thank me for it.